In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Obsidian. Adding visuals to your notes can make complex ideas clearer, help you remember information faster, and give your pages a clean, polished look. Let's walk through the exact process from start to finish so you can do this confidently. First, open the note where you want the image to appear. You can use an existing note or create a new one. What matters is that your cursor is placed exactly where you want the image to land. This saves you from extra rearranging later. Next, drag and drop your image file right into the note. You can pull it from your desktop or a file manager window. Obsidian works well with common formats like PNG and JPG. As soon as you drop it, give the app a moment. Obsidian will import the file into your vault and automatically create the image link in your note. Behind the scenes, the file is stored inside your vault so it travels with your notes, and the link that appears in the editor is what displays the image when you view or preview the note. If the image feels too large or too small, you can resize it using Obsidian's markdown style image formatting. Inside the image embed, add a vertical bar followed by a width value. For example, adding a pipe and the number 400 tells Obsidian to display the image at 400 pixels wide. You can experiment with different numbers until the image fits the page layout you want. Keep in mind that very large images can make your note harder to scan, so aim for a size that balances clarity and space. For better context, add a short caption or note directly below the image. A single line explaining what the image shows, why it matters, or how it connects to your topic can make a big difference. If you want captions to stand out slightly, consider formatting them in italics so they're visually distinct from the main text, while still easy to read. Finally, save your note to ensure the image and its link are preserved inside your vault. Obsidian typically saves automatically, but it's good practice to confirm your changes are stored, especially after adding files. Once saved, your image, caption, and formatting will be ready the next time you open the note. That's all you need to add images smoothly in Obsidian. Open your note, drag and drop, let the link appear, adjust the size if needed, add context underneath, and save. With these steps, your notes will look sharper, read clearer, and be far more memorable.